You know why we sit like this with clients in the room is so that they can't see our faces when we roll our eyes at their stupid ideas. Because, as we all know, producers are stupid and the artists sitting here, well, we're pretty awesome. Hey, let's be honest about what we're doing here, right? In this industry, there's very little right or wrong. It's very subjective. The only right answer is pleasing the client to get them what they want. Remember that the next time you're sitting in this chair. See, from back here in this chair, how you and your attitude treat me is going to determine whether I want to come back and work with you again. Hey, I know producers have attitudes too, but how you interact with your client can help create a better environment for both of you. Look, I know it can get frustrating when you're sitting here for long sessions and your client is saying things like,
Can we change that dissolve to 20 frames?
Sure,
No, how about 15 frames?
sure.
I'm not sure. What do you think?
I know what you want to say. It's a stupid dissolve. Just tell me how long you want it. I'll do it. I know that's what you want to say, but hey, the client is paying you, and it's actually an honest question. So might I suggest, honestly, this dissolve is just smoothing out a transition between two elements, so I would suggest 15 frames.
Okay, well, let's just go with 12 frames then.
12 frames it is. See, no reason to get yourself all bent out of shape over a transition length. Who cares? Think about it from the producer's perspective, and remember, they're paying you. Think before you speak. Now, I'm not saying there's not going to be blow-up, there's not going to be tension, because, hey, that's the nature of what we do. It's a very creative field, and tension gets created. But you know what? When the situation's over, it's over. Forget about it. Move on. My dad taught me that one. And so you know what we do here at Biscardi Creative? We step out. We come out. We get a cup of coffee. We get some soda. Watch a little TV. Get away from the situation for 5 to 10 minutes. Because if you stay in that situation, you stay in the edit suite, tension's going to keep building. And you might say something that you totally regret. And hey, by the way, if you're having a problem with a client, just remember it's a two-way street. If you go ahead and start tweeting and you start writing about, oh, this client's driving me crazy, just remember it's a very small community. And what you say can and most likely will get back to that client. So remember, this is a service-based industry. And how you and your attitude treat the client while they're working with you will determine whether they want to come back and work with you again. Hey, that's very nice of you. Thank you. I was going to do that for you. Shall we?